kung saan ang galing po yung sasakyan. Mga protocol plates naman. Ang protocol plates, yan, nandito yung mga first number lang na pwede gamitin. Let's say, halimbawa, 1. Sabi nga, is the President of the Philippines. 2 is the Vice President of the Philippines. 3 is the Senate President. 4, the Speaker of the House. 5, the Chief Justice. 6, Cabinet Secretary. 7, Senators. 8, Congressman. 9, Associate Justice. 10, the Solicitor General. 11, Chairman of the Commission Election. 12, Cabinet Undersecretary. 14, Chief of Staff. Kaya lumutaw siya. Ayaw walang gumamit ng 13. Ano? Walang gumamit ng 13 eh. Ayaw walang gamitin ng 13. Bakit kaya? Malas daw eh. Ayaw. Ano? Walang gumamit ng 13, saka 15. Ilang taon nila. Then 16, Regional Trial Court. 17, Metropolitan Trial Court. Supposed to be, yung mga number na yan, sila na daw po yung pwedeng gumamit ng mga plaka na single numbers. Then, the number plate, at all times, the plate must be displayed in conspicuous places, one in front and one in the rear. Kaya nga, yung mga plate numbers, siguro naman, napapansin ninyo sa kasadahan, yung mga motor vehicle, wala kung plate number na nakalagay sa left and right ng ating mga motor vehicle. Bumawal po yun. Kailangan daw po yung mga plate number ng ating mga motor vehicle is isa sa harap at isa sa likuran na malinaw na nakikita na sa kasadahan ng ating mga plate number. Kailangan malinaw, malinis. The number plate must be kept clean and clear for a firmly affixed to the motor vehicle in such a manner as will make it entirely visible and always legible. Yan. Kaya kailangan malinaw natin nakikita yung mga plate number na yan. If ever